Premier at Sawmill. Premier at Sawmill Athletic Club, located at 3111 Hayden Road in Columbus, Ohio, is your place for fitness and fun. With an ever-changing musical atmosphere, Premier at Sawmill provides exciting themes for your workouts. Just check out our faithful members here at one of our outdoor body pump classes. Aside from our ever so popular Les Mills classes, Body Pump and Body Attack, Premier at Sawmill provides over 80 other classes included in your membership. For excellent cross-training with real results, contact Premier at Sawmill Athletic Club at www.premieratsawmill.com or call 614-336-CLUB. That's 614-336-2582.